She find a...
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, look who is up a little bit earlier than usual this morning. Look who is up a little bit earlier than usual. You're up earlier than usual. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. She love when I tell her good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You guys, sorry it's up a little bit earlier than usual. Normally I would be getting Tyler ready right now, which I am, but he take a little bathroom break. He wants to use the bathroom, but I'd rather he use it now than when he goes to school or is on his way. That's when he said, Mama, I want to caca. So sorry saying good morning. Tyler will say good morning a bit because he's in the toilet. Look at her. And babe just rush out. Babe rush out. Gone to work, and I'm up trying to start my day, getting the kids ready and stuff like that. Go up. Good morning, brother. I'm up early to see you. She's just laughing at me. Say morning to Faves.
Good morning, Faves.
Very good. What we doing right now?
Going to school. So, Mama, guess what?
What?
Mercury, I want you to go in school with me, please.
We don't go to school on Mercury. Where do we go on Mercury? To?
Swimming lesson.
Exactly.
So, Maddie, I want you to come in school.
I can't. Your
with me.
parents cannot go to school with you. Why you want me to come to school with you?
Yesterday, my papa said he's going to come to school with me.
No. You sure Papa tell you that?
Yeah?
No, Papa did not tell you that. Papa cannot come to school with you.
Okay.
No, and truth. Come sit here.
But he wanted.
Papa cannot come to school with you. Mama cannot come to school with you. Nor baby sister cannot come to school with you. You're a big boy, you go to school all by. All by. Give me a foot, please.
There.
All by myself. Sit, I'm coming back to
All
you here.
by. Not yourself. Da da da. Da da da. Excellent. 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 1, 2, 3, go! Here, Mama.
Thank you. Where is it?
peekaboo, 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 peekaboo.
Fat Cheeks is all ready. Look how Sarah Cheeks ready this morning. I don't know why. Her cheeks is just super red this morning. Anyway, you guys, I'm having the hiccup, so I need to stop my breath for a few seconds. Sarah is all ready. Oh, Sarah is all ready. Bless you. Tyler is all ready. And we are heading out to school. Ready to take brother to school? Okay, time for green juice. Time for green juice.
Oh, you Optician on my... Yeah. Push. Oh, no.
Morning, goodness. Sorry.
Excuse me.
You want to taste some? You want some? Delaveaus?
Yes, like that. My little bit. Yes.
You're funny. You drink some?
Yeah.
Drink it, Nadai. He's so funny, you guys.
Like that. Listen to that.
Babu, you'll be strong and smart today.
Yeah.
You guys want to see what he did? Let me show you guys what he did. Do that again. You'll be strong and smart today. Come, let the face see you. Come here. You'll be strong and smart today. He do that me so funny. You're funny. Let mama go get your sweater. Tell Fizz later.
Bye, camera.
You're funny.
Bye.
And we are out on the road. You ready to go to the optician with mama? You ready to go to the optician with mama? Yeah. Mama going to get her eyes tested for her new glasses. You ready? You ready? I love this little outfit on her. And in her little rainbow socks. Rightfully so, as your mama's little rainbow baby. Yes, you're my little rainbow girl. You are my little rainbow girl. Yes, you're my little rainbow girl. You're my little rainbow girl. You won't stop smiling if I stay here and talk to you all day. You'll just smile all day, right? Look at her cute self. Look at your cute self. Anyway, you guys, just like that, Sarah and I out the house and at the bus stop, waiting on the bus to go to my optician. I think baby's gonna meet me there. I'm not sure if I'll be going alone or if he'll come, but either ways, I'm on my way. You guys, optician went well. Look who we have here. Look who we have. My honey bunny. Baby left work and go to the optician with me. And going back to our shawty. And I am heading home. Now I just need to you think we're going to put in the prescriptions before we go off on vacation or when we come back?
Ask for the glasses?
Yeah. I think when we come back our week is so full this week unless we're going to do it Saturday.
Yeah, we can wait.
We can't wait until we come back. So I guess when we get back from vacation we'll put in our prescriptions to get our glasses.
Or even well, if we have time this weekend, so when we come back, we know we can pick,
Right, pick it up. Right. Right, you're right. We can try that too. Let's see. Because Saturday shouldn't be busy. Or Saturday should be. Okay, well, let's see. Whichever works for us. Anyway, you guys get a sneak peek of me before the end of the vlog. And Sarah is here. Queen, cuckoo. Hi, pretty. Hey, you pretty. Hey, you. Junior is home and eating dinner. What are you eating for dinner?
Meat.
What else?
This is water. Quinoa, chicken, and tomato.
Very good. Enjoy. Eat up. And look who is down here playing on her mat. Look who is down here looking all pretty. Look who is down here playing on her mat all by yourself. Hi. Hi, gorgeous girl. Hello, gorgeous girl. You're so pretty. Hi. You're getting so big. You know that? You know that? You're getting so big. You're getting so big. You're getting so big. Hi. You're getting so big, mama. Yeah. Yeah. When the faves see this, you'll be officially 3 months old. So all the faves can say, happy 3 months, Sarah. Happy 3 months, Sarah. Look at her looking at me.
She's 3 months.
She will be 3 months when this video is published. Right, mama? Right, mama? Right. You're 3 months. Yeah, 3 months already. You're 3 months already? You're 3 months already? Oh, that big smile. Alright, enjoy yourself. Tyler, turn around and eat properly. And you guys, guess who is home and working out around the back? Look at him working out around the back. Watch me good man with the fat ass. Watch me good man with the fat ass. Watch my husband. Whoa, goody. I'm so terrible. I just want to zoom up on babe ass and squeeze this up. I'm a hot mess. My chandelier keep reflecting in the mirror. Get them, baby. Yes.
Looking at him, Mama.
You're looking at him?
No.
Get down on my bed.
Look at it.
That's my boy working out. Go, baby. Baby running. Good job, honey. Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay, now my baby working out. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna work out my stomach. I'm gonna eat. Because I'm hungry. Their daily dose of playing. Ty, be careful.
Mama?
Yes, Ty.
Every day when I see one yellow,
Be careful,
when
careful.
I see one yellow that starts with a M B said.
What are you saying? Stop jumping in the couch.
She find a...
Ty! Go in the living room, you see my phone on the couch. Carrot, come please. You're doing the puzzle from back ways?
Yeah.
You're so cool. How cool is that? He's doing the puzzle without the picture side. You're something else, my boy. You okay?
Yeah.
Stop saying yeah. Okay.
Hey guys, well, it's the end of the day. I feel tired. I feel tired and I feel good in the same time. Since morning I wake up, I wanted to run. I felt motivated about it, and yeah, I'm proud of me right now. I keep it. I don't know if I look tired, but yes, I am. Baby's also tired for different reason. She's actually about to fall asleep with Sarah. So yeah, everybody is fine. Tara is sleeping, and me, I just stay up a little bit, enjoying the end of the night, enjoying the end of the day, and yeah. So I hope you all have I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm talking and feel tired at the same time. Yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to comment down. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.